Welcome back. Today we're exploring something truly exciting, the world of mini manufacturing business machines that you can start using right from the comfort of your own home. Imagine being able to create high-demand products with just a small investment and the potential to generate significant profits in your own city. These machines open the door to unique business opportunities. So, let's get started. 1. Tumbler Heat Press Machine. A tumbler heat press machine is an excellent tool for anyone looking to start a custom drinkware business from home. These machines use heat and pressure to transfer vibrant, permanent designs onto cylindrical surfaces like tumblers, mugs, and water bottles. With one of these, you can create high-quality, personalized drinkware perfect for events, gifts, or branded merchandise. Whether you're making items for weddings, corporate promotions, or simply unique gifts, a tumbler heat press allows you to add logos, names, or creative designs that look polished and professional. These machines are easy to use and offer consistent results, making them a practical choice for beginners and experienced creators alike. They're also versatile, working with different sizes and types of drinkware, so you can expand your product range as your business grows. Depending on the model, prices can start around $200, with more advanced options up to $500 or more. 2. Snow Cone Machine. A snow cone machine can be the foundation of a fun and profitable home-based business, especially in hot climates or during the summer months. This machine crushes ice into fluffy snow, which can then be flavored with syrups to create delicious snow cones. Whether you're running a mobile stand at outdoor events or offering delivery for parties and gatherings, a snow cone machine provides a quick return on investment due to the low cost of materials and high demand. It's easy to operate and doesn't take up much space, making it ideal for home-based businesses or small stores. Machines typically start around $100 for a basic model and can go up to $500 for commercial-grade machines. Given the affordability and ease of use, starting a snow cone business is a great way to make a steady income without a huge upfront investment. 3. Bath Bomb Press. Bath bombs are incredibly popular in the wellness and beauty industry. With a bath bomb press, you can quickly produce high-quality bath bombs with different scents, colors, and shapes. These machines are designed to mold a bath bomb mixture into the desired form while ensuring each one is consistent in size and texture. This makes it a great tool for entrepreneurs who want to enter the bath and body market. Since bath bombs are relatively inexpensive to produce, the profit margins can be quite large, especially if you create custom, premium options. The cost of a bath bomb press can range from a few $100s for smaller, entry-level models to over $5,000 or more for semi-automatic industrial-grade presses, but it's a solid investment with a growing customer base. With increasing popularity of self-care products, a bath bomb business offers great potential for scalability. 4. Bubble Wrap Machine. If you run an online store or ship delicate items, a bubble wrap machine can save you both time and money. This machine lets you create custom-sized rolls of bubble wrap, making it easy to package fragile products safely. It allows you to create packaging on demand, saving costs and reducing waste compared to buying pre-made bubble wrap. It's especially useful for e-commerce businesses that need to ship items frequently. Instead of buying pre-made bubble wrap, you can create your own, reducing waste and saving on packaging costs. Prices for bubble wrap machines range from $500 for home-based businesses and $20,000 or more for a commercial-grade model. With more people shopping online, the need for quality packaging will only continue to rise, making this a smart investment for home-based businesses. 5. Powder Filling Machine. If you're interested in packaging products such as spices, protein powders, or even cosmetic items like talcum powder, a powder filling machine is a great choice. This machine takes loose powder and fills containers with precision, ensuring each package is perfectly filled. Its versatility makes it a fantastic option for anyone looking to offer bulk or custom-sized product packaging. The machine is particularly valuable for small businesses that want to create and package their own line of powdered products. Depending on its size and features, prices usually range from $500 to $20,000. If you're looking to create something people use every day, this machine is a solid investment. The business potential is considerable, especially for niche markets or e-commerce sales where consumers demand high-quality, precisely packaged goods. 6. Gumball Vending Machine. A Gumball vending machine is a classic, easy-to-manage business tool that's perfect for generating passive income with minimal effort. These machines dispense colorful gumballs, candy, or small toys, making them popular in high-traffic locations like shopping malls, arcades, and restaurants. The appeal of a Gumball machine lies in its simplicity. Once filled, it requires very little maintenance and can operate 24/7, allowing for a steady stream of income. With a cost range from $50 for basic models to around $500 for larger, more durable options, these machines have a low upfront investment, making them accessible for anyone wanting to start small. You can start with a single machine or gradually expand to multiple locations. Since the products are low cost, the profit margins can add up quickly, especially in busy areas. Gumball vending machines are ideal for beginners or anyone seeking a hassle-free side business. 7. Crepes making machine. If you're a fan of sweet and savory treats, a crepes making machine can help you create delicious, hot crepes for a home-based business. Crepes are a popular food choice for breakfasts, brunches, or desserts, and with this machine, you can produce them quickly and consistently. Whether you plan to sell at local markets, festivals, or create a delivery service, potential for profit is high. These machines can range from $300 for small, home-use versions to upwards of $2,000 for commercial-grade equipment. With the right recipes and marketing, a crepe-making business offers huge potential, especially if you tap into local food trends. 8. Hot foil stamping machine. The hot foil stamping machine is a fantastic tool for creating products with a luxurious touch, as it enables the addition of metallic foil accents to various surfaces. Commonly used on items like wedding invitations, business cards, leather goods, and even packaging, this machine allows you to create striking designs that look polished and high-end. With foil stamping, you're not only enhancing the visual appeal, but also increasing perceived value, as metallic foiling adds an exclusive quality that customers are willing to pay a premium for. Entry-level machines start at about $200, allowing for basic foil stamping on small projects, while high-end models range up to $5,000 and come with advanced temperature control, larger stamping areas, and precision alignment for larger-scale production. Foil stamping has significant business potential, especially in the giftware, stationery, and small business branding markets. 9. Portable CNC machine. A portable CNC, computer numerical control, machine is a compact but powerful tool for anyone interested in creating precision-crafted items. Unlike traditional CNC machines, which can be bulky and expensive, portable versions are designed for smaller spaces, making them perfect for home-based businesses. These machines are capable of cutting, engraving, and carving into materials such as wood, plastic, and metal, allowing you to create intricate patterns and customize products with ease. With a CNC machine, you can produce a wide variety of items, including jewelry, keychains, customized signage, home decor pieces, and even small mechanical parts for niche markets. They are especially popular in the DIY and handmade goods communities, where customization is a big draw for customers. Smaller portable CNC machines start around $500, while advanced models can go up to several $1,000s, depending on precision and functionality. 10. Liquid filling machine. A liquid filling machine is indispensable for businesses centered around producing and packaging liquid-based products. This machine ensures that liquids are accurately dispensed into containers, which is crucial for maintaining consistency, especially when selling products that require precise measurements, like sauces, essential oils, cosmetics, or sanitizers. The filling machine also helps improve production speed, allowing you to scale up efficiently and meet growing demand without compromising on quality. Most basic models start around $500 and are ideal for small-scale production, filling dozens of bottles per hour with manual or semi-automatic operation. More advanced models, which can cost up to $5,000 to $50,000, offer fully automated filling and sealing capabilities, significantly boosting productivity. By using a liquid filling machine, you can establish a professional setup for your business, presenting products that look neat and ready for store shelves. 11. Frozen drink machine. A frozen drink machine is an exciting way to tap into the market for refreshing, flavorful drinks, perfect for warm weather events, festivals, or mobile stands. These machines are versatile, allowing you to create everything from fruity slushes and smoothies to frozen cocktails for adults, making them ideal for a wide range of audiences. Frozen drink machines are simple to operate, and most models have easy-to-clean parts, making them low maintenance for busy seasons. Basic models start around $500 and are suitable for small gatherings or home use, while commercial-grade machines, which can range from $1,000 to $2,000, are capable of producing large batches of frozen drinks quickly. This machine is a great investment if you're considering a mobile drink stand, catering service, or seasonal shop, where you can attract customers with refreshing drinks at a premium price. Unique flavors, creative presentations, and even branded drink options can help you stand out, giving you the potential to build a loyal customer base. 12. Rug Tufting Kits. Rug tufting has recently gained popularity as a creative and therapeutic craft, and rug tufting kits offer everything you need to get started. These kits typically include a tufting gun, yarn, a fabric base, and additional tools to help you create custom rugs with unique textures and colors. Rug tufting is ideal for individuals interested in art, interior design, or personalized home decor. It allows you to create a range of products, from small decorative mats to full-sized area rugs with intricate patterns. Starter kits generally cost around $200, but professional-grade kits with higher quality tools and accessories can reach up to $500. The market for handmade rugs and custom decor is booming, especially as people seek one-of-a-kind pieces for their homes. Selling custom rugs online or at local craft fairs provides an opportunity to showcase your designs and attract customers who value handcrafted, artisanal items. 13. Smartphone Charging Station. Running out of battery at the worst time is something everyone experiences, whether at a mall, airport, concert, or coffee shop. Now imagine being the one who solves that problem and earns money doing it. With the 8-slot smart rental powerbank station, individuals can launch a simple yet powerful business that taps into everyday demand. Starting is surprisingly easy. Purchase the machine and set it up in a busy location with high foot traffic, malls, gyms, airports, restaurants, festivals, campuses, or even co-working spaces. With a sleek, ultra-durable design, fireproof ABS and metal construction, and minimal maintenance needs, it's a plug-and-play business model. You earn every time someone rents a powerbank for their dead or dying device, using quick, convenient payment options like credit cards, NFC taps, or QR scans. Each power bank supports fast charging and works with Type-C, micro USB, and Lightning devices, ensuring everyone, from students to travelers, can quickly grab a charger and stay connected. Starting at around $245, it's a smart innovation ready to energize your business environment. 14. Fridge Magnet Making Machine. Bringing creativity into tangible form, this rectangle magnet making machine offers a fantastic opportunity for small businesses, artists, and DIY enthusiasts. Designed to produce stunning rectangular magnets in 50mm or 55mm sizes, it features a durable metal frame with a polished, sleek finish, ensuring long-term reliability even with daily use. Perfect for creating personalized gifts, souvenirs, promotional badges, or stylish refrigerator decorations, this versatile tool supports a wide range of applications, from DIY craft projects to full-scale souvenir production. Its compact design fits comfortably into home studios, craft shops, or event setups, allowing entrepreneurs to offer customized photo magnets, logo badges, or event keepsakes with professional quality. The cost of this machine ranges from $275 to $540, depending on the model and features. 15. Immersive 5D VR Simulator. Step into the future of entertainment with the Immersive 5D VR Simulator arcade machine, a thrilling high-tech gaming setup that transforms any venue into a world of limitless adventure. Designed to offer a 360-degree fully immersive experience, this machine brings real-world scenarios to life with breathtaking realism, making every ride, race, or battle feel strikingly authentic. Compact and striking in design, it fits perfectly in shopping malls, indoor amusement parks, and entertainment centers, instantly drawing crowds and maximizing foot traffic. 16. Mini Bear Waffle Maker. Small in size but big on charm, the Mini Bear Waffle Maker transforms simple batter into adorable, golden brown creations. Designed specifically for commercial kitchens, food trucks, dessert kiosks, and boutique cafes, this compact machine brings a playful twist to traditional waffles. Each mold is precisely shaped to create perfect little bear cakes, delivering a unique product that instantly captures customer attention and adds character to your menu. The non-stick plates ensure easy release and fast cleanup, while its efficient heating system guarantees evenly baked treats every time. Ideal for pairing with syrups, fruit, or creative toppings, these bear-shaped waffles offer a versatile option for breakfast menus, snacks, or themed desserts. Pricing starts at approximately $250, offering exceptional value for creative entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on business tools and ideas.